Nigga, baby, is that hard being the big little brother?
Yes. You're an accident, son.
He said he didn't want to have no kids with my mama. So get what? We both accidents.
No accident. I was born intentionally.
But guess what? No. He said
You stuck up on the earth.
Listen. My dad said he did not want to have no kids with my mama. So that means, therefore, we're both accidents. Therefore, we're both accidents.
Should go back. Oh, wait. It's the ADD that's kicking in. ADD.
CO2. Hey, clocking it back.
CO2 ain't gonna play.
You just said you had to clock the other one back.
CO2 ain't gonna play with.
That CO2, you don't gotta clock it back. You gotta, all you gotta do is just
It's live.
It's live. Get that green gas.
No, the green gas and CO2 is sweet.
Oh, this nigga, baby, this about to fall out my hand. Yeah. So that it dropped down.
Either like that or like
Let's see. Hold on. Let me see. So you want it to fall down. Yeah, so like that. Go ahead and grab the other part. Yeah, and then just put it, let it hang, yeah. So that it can we want to try to make it come long down, PJ. Here. For the next movie, yeah. For the next movie. Yeah. Looks lovely. Yeah. Oh, just lift it off of the bar. Huh? We staging it for the movie because it's supposed to look like a photography studio. So now I'm trying to decide, okay, where will we put? So I think I want to put this chair here. Cover, sit in that chair in there. I'm gonna put pink in different color circles. That's hard. I'm weak. Alright, so I think I wanna. Yep.